So, Danny, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hey guys, I'm Danny Dowling. Like Shereen said, I'm a 3 of 5 year student. Um, I met Dr. Moshe at the Vital Gathering in Arizona last fall, and I was excited to see a doctor that was practicing deeper medicine, someone that is bringing counseling and TCM and the chakra system and the holistic philosophy to a clinical setting. And he offered me his book, and I was excited to read it. Um, and ever since then, Shereen and I have been trying to get him here to help us out. And here we are.
And so we're making this video because we're bringing Dr. Moshe up to Seattle, and we want everyone to get a chance to get to know him before he comes up.
Yeah, it's great. I'm excited to come out and to offer at Bastyr. Very much so.
Yeah, we're super thrilled. So a little bit to introduce Dr. Moshe. So he's written 2 books. One was, let's see, The Revolution of Naturopathic Medicine, Remaining True to the Philosophy, and Holistic Counseling, Introducing the Beast Dialogue. So the second one is the one that that Danny and I have been really interested in. You actually provide courses on this book, and that's why we're having you come over here and having us all take the course together. We're super excited. And so Dr. Moshe is a naturopathic doctor. He graduated from CCNM in 2000, and he's here to share his work that he's been working on and developing over the last 20 years. And so thanks for doing this interview with us so that we can spread your knowledge and share your wisdom. Thanks for taking the time to come over.
Yeah, for sure. It's my pleasure. And thanks for taking your time in your busy schedules as students as well. I'm really thrilled to share this knowledge, and to not just share the knowledge, but also to bring very tangible skills that people can start employing the use of right after the first course. So holistic counseling is a course. It's made up of 2 main parts. Part 1, which is what I'll be coming to teach at Bastyr on April 27th to the 29th, just in a few weeks, as a matter of fact. And then part 2 is a much more advanced, deeper place of holistic counseling once a practitioner has begun trying to implement the dialogue, the Beast dialogue, a number of times.
Thank you, Dr. Moshe. Can I ask you, how has holistic counseling impacted your life and your practice?
Well, that's a great question. For my life, I almost want to say it is my life. It certainly is a hugely fundamental part of my life, where the philosophy of holism that I teach in the course, and that is a very integral part of holistic counseling, is part of my everyday life. So, one of the things that I also take as a very important premise in healing, just like Dr. Charlie Cropley, is physician heal thyself. So by having this philosophy very close to my heart, I'm always looking at things like that are limiting my true nature. So in applying holistic counseling to my own self, I help myself to evolve to be more who I really am. And that comes with joy and a sense of freedom and a sense of great vital energy. That definitely comes along with that. In terms of practice, I mean, it's been tremendous in my practice, helping people profoundly with issues that, what I've discovered, unfortunately, many practitioners are not investigating very deeply with their patients what's actually going on with them, what's actually causing their suffering. There's a sort of a superficial and sometimes moderate investigation of the different systems of the body and what may be going wrong, but to actually get very profoundly connected to where somebody's has their misalignment in the core of their being has been the most impactful in being able to help people a lot, in a lasting way, so that they're not reliant on anything from the doctor anymore. It's like the whole concept of teach a person to fish rather than giving them a fish. It's very, very important for holistic counseling.